we'll go into we'll go a bit deeper into that aspect. But before that, तुम्ही दोन गजाली सांगा. एक गजालीत की तुमका दोन तरेच्या ग्रुप येऊन मेळ्या म्हणून. एक ग्रुप जाणे तुमका सांगला की तुम्ही काय कमिटमेंट्स केल्यात, तो कमिटमेंट फुलफिल करप you should be your primary objective, whether you do it in Congress or whether you do it in BJP does not matter.
No, they've gone to the extent of telling me that commitments that I have made, staying in Congress, I will not be able to fulfill. So they've gone to the extent of saying, go.
What are those commitments?
Many commitments, boss. I have made a commitment, for example, on the vis-a-vis employment. You see, during my tenure, there were boys taken on contract. I'm talking of 10, 12 years ago.
When you were the power minister.
When I was the power minister. Till today, those and when I say boys, today they are fathers and they are...
Yeah, they were boys then.
They were boys then, okay. So they are feeling insecure because people who join the department after I left or after I was defeated in the 2012 election have been confirmed, and these boys are there with that carrot being dangled in front of them. Nothing is happening. They're seeking security. Because every few months they've got to go to the power minister and with folded hands beg and say, please give us an extension. And I genuinely believe injustice has been done to them.
तुम्ही म्हणतात की जो कमिटमेंट
This is one.
तुम्ही यो
There are so many
कमिटमेंट काँग्रेसीक असल्यार जावची ना अशें तुमकां तुमची लोक स्पष्ट सांगतात.
That is what they believe. And I honestly believe it is difficult. You see, there's a group of some 300-400 boys. When I was the power minister, I definitely gave preference to my constituency people. So I definitely believe...
गावात तुम्ही तरी आपली तोंडान सांगतात.
हांव
आमी
सांगत
आपल्या
तुका.
कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतल्याच लोकांक जॉब दिता.
ना इतले म्हण न्ही. I've taken from all over Goa.
हय.
But I've definitely...
तुमकां इल्लेच चड दिली तुम्ही.
I've been selfish.
I like this straightforwardness of yours.
I've kept it is Mr. Manohar, our late Manohar Parrikar, has accused me on the floor of the house.
Yeah. So today you are nicely accepting it also.
No, I told him that time. My answer to him was very clear. Charity starts at home.
So you are saying that these charities cannot be fulfilled at the place where you are right now.
No, there are so many things. You see, one is that unemployment to me is a major issue. Next issue I've seen is that there are so many development works, so many maintenance works that have to be done, which I can't see happening. Today, for example, I had some engineers with me, and issues were there being raised. I raised certain issues, and they're telling me, what, sir? Sir, to get these estimates passed is a big problem.
Because you are a congressman.
They didn't tell me that.
They didn't tell me that. They stopped at that.
Well, the way they spoke, yes.
तुमचे पंच किती सांगता तुमका?
My punches are divided. Some punches say, please go. Others say, don't go. That is why I said, I am confused. Whom to oblige?
But,
believe me, it pricks my conscience because I have gone around telling people, I will not leave the Congress party.
But sir, you admit that you have started this consultation process in your constituency.
Not to leave.
To do what then?
It is basically, like for example, on the 14th, I've got a grievance meeting in Verna village. You can send your reporter if you want. I'm definitely not going to ask them whether I should go to BJP. I'm not going to ask. This grievance meeting is not a pretext to tomorrow to say that I have consulted my people. No. There is not a spirit in this grievance meeting.